Alright, now let's move on to our patrol bot. And what we want our patrol bot to do is patrol the area, and if it sees us, go and attack us. First I'm going to explain how he's going to patrol the area. If you go on the AI part of the scripts, there's an auto waypoint script that was included in the package. I'm going to explain how that works. So, waypoints is going to be a set of game objects set up around our squad right here. And then it's going to put them into like an array. And then connected is going to be a new array, and then we're going to find all the different ways that our waypoints can connect, and then it's going to draw a green line to it, and I'll show you once we get to the point. So in the find closest function, you got to pass in a vector 3, and what that is our current waypoint that we're at, and that's defined like by what we're closest to, what game object that we're closest to, and then it returns an auto waypoint. And this script was actually directly taken from the FPS tutorial on the Unity3D.com website. In part 3 of it, when they did AI, they worked with waypoints. So I don't know if you've gone through and done that tutorial, but that's where this came from. So also what it's going to do is it's going to do a for statement, and then define a new variable called cur, and it's going to be an auto waypoint in waypoints, which is an array. So for each waypoint in our array of waypoints, we're going to find the distance between our current position and the position what we're at, which is brought in right here. So if our bot is less than 100 meters away, then it can find that closest distance to that next auto waypoint, and then it defines that as the current, because that's what we're going to be headed towards, then returns the next auto waypoint. I don't know if this makes sense to you, but you don't really need to understand it. Just know that that this is how he finds the next waypoint. And the rest of the code is just the editor helper, green, the draw line from each waypoint, and this waypoint TIFF texture we don't have because I didn't bring it in with the tutorial package, but it's just going to show up as just a white box, and that's going to make it so you can see our waypoints in the editor. And I'll show you how when it recalculates the connected waypoints when we get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and close that.